I hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to talk about why your AC freezes. It's a big thing. Why does your AC freeze? Hi everyone, Jose Crespo here, owner of Precise HVAC Home Services. We are going behind the scenes on the HVAC world, and we're going to give you the secrets of what a lot of HVAC companies don't want you to know, but we're going to give it to you on how to properly maintain your system and how to make sure that your system lasts a lot longer with proper maintenance. It's 65 degrees outside. I turn my AC on. I know, I get it, 65 degrees, but a lot of people do turn it on at 65. A lot of people they struggle with the heat period. Me personally, if it's 75 outside, yes, I'm turning it on, but not at 65. Why does it freeze when I turn my AC on when it's 80 degrees outside, but it doesn't freeze when it's 75, 65 outside? Well, it's a very logical answer. The system's not working as hard, right? It's 65 outside, so it's not gonna freeze when it's 90 degrees outside. When it's 90 degrees outside, your system is gonna work a lot harder. And it can freeze. And here are the reasons why it can freeze. Number one, did you get it maintained this year? Maybe, maybe not. If you're uncertain of it, well, go get it a professional, get it checked. Say, you know what, I'm not sure if I got it maintained this year, but I need you to get this checked to make sure that it's gonna last me for at least the summer and the early fall. Now, did you change your filter? Maybe, maybe not. Go check, make sure the filter's changed. Have you gotten your ducts cleaned? How long have you lived in the home? Let's do easy math. I've lived in the home 10 years. I've owned my system for at least those 10 years, and I've never gotten my ducts clean. Well, let's start there. We've got to clean our ducts 5 to 7 years, at least once every 5 to 7 years, right? Another thing is, has this been a problem before, or is this a problem now? And this is now occurring, and now this is becoming an issue that it's freezing up? Probably not. Here's the reason how you can tell. Have you been getting very high electric bills, right? 10 years we've lived here. Just went back and said it. We lived here 10 years. In the first 1 year that we lived here, year 1, year 2, year 3, the electric bills were $200, $300 in the summer. Perfect. But now they're $700. So they spike. We understand that the service charge goes up, but it won't go up to 125%. That's not possible, right? So there's something wrong with your air conditioning. That right there should have given you a red flag, a serious indication of what's wrong with the system. Something's got to be wrong with it. My electric bill spiked. Now we are experiencing the system freezing over. When the system is frozen, you're probably going to get minimal air out of those vents. Maybe not even anything, because the system is that much of a block of ice. These are the reasons that cause your system to freeze. Your filter, your duct cleaning, obstruction in the vents, your blower motor not running. Because if your blower motor is not running inside, then yes, of course, it's going to freeze up, right? Your outdoor compressor might not have enough refrigerant. There's so many different reasons of why your system can be freezing, but it's for the professional at this point to make sure that he or she goes out there and gives you their diagnosis and their professional opinion of what's wrong with the system. These are the reasons why your system is freezing over. I hope this helped, guys.
Subscribe to Precise HVAC Home Services for more content.